What's going on, guys? We're just starting our week-long road trip across half of the United States. So we're driving through Idaho, Wyoming, and into Colorado. It's kind of our first stop. We're in Boardman. Last time we were in Boardman was last fall. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit and take some pictures of the trees, and then we're gonna jump back in the car and head to Boise. So here we go.
I won't be coming back again a second time.
Alright, so we just crossed the border into Idaho, which means we're only about an hour away from Boise, where we're going to meet up with our friends Melissa and Brett. We're going to stay with them tonight and then get up early tomorrow to drive to Wyoming, where we're staying at Jackson Hole, and then we are going to drive out to the Grand Tetons tomorrow evening to get some sunset shots, hopefully. So we will see you guys in Boise.
Setting off, time to go. Engines running, we're on our own. Running on an endless road, reaching for something. We used to know. If I had another chance, I'd make things right. I see the light behind your eyes is fading now. On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
We just made it out to Twin Falls, Idaho. We're just hanging out here for a little bit. Drove down to Shoshone Falls. Getting ready to take off out of here and continue our journey out to Jackson, Wyoming.
Still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Alright guys, so we finally made our way to Wyoming, and you can see in the background the beautiful Grand Tetons. There's also a bunch of lightning and thunderstorms happening in the distance. It was raining pretty hard as we drove through Jackson, and then we got out here to Schwarzbacher's Landing, and it's absolutely beautiful.
I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone.
I don't know if you heard that, but that's the thunder. It keeps getting louder and louder. So.
Linger.